If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. Welcome back everyone. Unfortunately, this is another emergency update because things have changed since yesterday's video. In yesterday's update, we stated that a bullish cross had formed between the 20 and the 200. That was during the daily candle. We were holding it as support, but just before the daily candle closed, we came back down underneath. And if I now get rid of all these drawings for you guys, how do I do that? Right there. We can see that it's crossed back under, so it's invalidated that bullish cross. I'm going to now show you my last video update from yesterday where we can actually see the cross. I can't really zoom in, maybe I can do that. Yes, can you see how the 20 was above during the candle? There was still 4 hours left, and then right before the daily candle closed, we dumped beneath, invalidating that bullish cross. So annoying, guys, because these are not signs that we want to see. These are signs that are suggesting that we could be topping out with this double top formation that we've been talking about. It's not valid as of now. We're still above the neckline, we're still above this wick, we're still above this golden pocket, but there's early warning signs, and that's why I have to make this emergency update for you guys, because this bullish signal that we spoke of in yesterday's update has now been invalidated. So it's very vital right now to continue to hold this $95 wick. We're still in this range between $94 and $100. $100 is still holding as our support on the daily time frame. We're not actually getting closes beneath. So right now, what we need to see, what is a must, yes, hold this $100 support, but in fact break back above the 20 and the 200. If in 7 hours time we are underneath, we're looking to come back down to the 55. If the 55 is lost, we're retracing back down to the $95 wick. This is all still within that $94 and $100 area of support, so we would say that this is still fine. And again, as we've mentioned in previous updates, we do have a wick over here that confirmed this huge break of this resistance as support right there. It's also on the golden pocket, it's also previous resistance, so can come down as low as 92 and it will still be fine. At the point of coming down to $92, we would have validated the M pattern. So what I'm going to do today is actually show you the M pattern's target, just like this. Put it on the breakdown. It's actually calling for the 786 to be tested, just slightly above it. But what could happen over here is if we do correct and validate this pattern by closing a daily candle beneath the neckline at $98, $99, then we will be looking to target this area down over here as it's the technical target. Of course, we can catch support here and reclaim the neckline and invalidate it, but I'm going to show you the target, which is slightly beneath the 65, exactly at $90. So what could happen is we come down into there and actually wick up and then close above this point, which is still maintaining this uptrend, because this is the retracement level we should come down to anyway for continuation higher. We've already come down to the 0.5. That is the layer that we now need to protect. This is what could stop this M pattern if it does validate by closing below $99. This could stop us from getting down to the target and actually reclaiming the neckline and invalidating it, because again, guys, all these supports over here are within that $94 to $100 area, this $6 level of support, and in keeping that as support, we are eventually looking for breaks higher to $130. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. And it's an annoying one because we had that bullish signal flash as we saw in yesterday's update, but it has been taken away from us because of this candle. So just had to make this emergency or warning update to you guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment, share. And if you want to take action on my course, ebook or mentorship, they are now discounted. Message me on Twitter, links in the description below for the discount promo code. Cheers. If any of you are interested in learning how to trade just like me, there's multiple options. Click this ebook. It covers all the strategies that I use in these YouTube updates, so you will have all the same skills. Covers the Japanese candlestick, chart patterns, support and resistance, why I use EMAs over trend lines, Fibonacci's, divergences, and again, using these all together to profit using them. I've also got a discount on my course at the moment, which ends at the end of this month. So that's down to £100. You also gain free access to my Discord community for the next 3 months, where you can expect to be a part of 12 to 24 group mentorship calls. If you want something that's a bit more personalized to your needs, then join my one-to-one mentorship plan. You can choose 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help, and included will be the 3 months free in the community, as well as my 6-hour long video course.